Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and in this video friends we will talk about how to use article notification on Facebook account. Friends, you want to on and you want to use Facebook article notification. So friends, now let's see how to turn on article notification on Facebook. One by one, step by step, we will talk about. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook application. After turn Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, you want to use Facebook friend request setting, so you can use friend request setting. You can watch your reels, profile setting you can use. So friends, notification setting today we will talk about. So friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook setting. Tap on your Facebook setting. After turn Facebook setting friends, you can see personal detail setting, password security setting. If you tap here, so you can change your Facebook account password. So friends, first of all we will tap on Facebook notification setting. Notification setting. After tap on guys Facebook notification setting, tag notification is there, comment notification, reminder notification, update from friend notification, friend request notification setting you want to use, so you can use group notification friends, you can on and you can use group notification. So friends, there are many notification, okay, marketplace, event notification, video notification you can use. Second last, article notification you want to use, you want to allow notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you can allow from here. Right tap here, Facebook article notification will on, and friends you can see these are notification to let you know when a person or page publish an article. So you want to this notification on your Facebook account, so you can use. So when someone will publish any article, so you can use. For an example, your friend Harsh published an article and you want to check here, so you can check. So like that friends, you can use article notification on your Facebook account. You want to on, so you can turn on, you can use article notification on your Facebook account. So guys, a person when he will publish any article, so you can check your notification. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Now do you have any doubt on your Facebook setting, friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.